y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I am doing the March Sephora Play unboxing. It has probably been like a year of me doing the Sephora Play unboxings, so definitely let me know in the comments below if you want these to continue. I enjoy doing them, but if you guys don't enjoy watching them, just let me know in the comments below and I will I just want to know what your guys' opinion is. Pretty much that's what I'm trying to get at. But if you guys are wanting to know what is in the Sephora Play box of March, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I actually have scissors to open this box today. I just got my nails done, don't want to ruin them. So I'm going to LA. I wanted to be a little fancy. Get my nails done. Okay, so this year, this is what the pamphlet looks like of this month. This has what you have. The 50 points. I sadly went to Sephora today and didn't know the box was coming today. I forgot my other points, but you know, whatever. So that's what you get. Ooh, I like this. So this is the bag, and it says, "Beauty is my spirit animal," which is so true. I really like the bag. So the first thing I grabbed, just a sample of shampoo and conditioner. I've been using these kind of frequently just because, I don't know, just kind of mixing it up. So this is the Marajo, M-A-R-A-J-O. Marajo? Don't ever count me on pronouncing things. So this is nourishing cleansing cream and then a deep treatment butter. So yeah, that's that. The next thing I grab is the Buxom lip liner. Oops, I just ripped the thing. I just ripped it all. Alright, so ooh, I like that. So I just kind of ripped the thing. So you have like a list of the lip colors you can get. It looks like this. Ooh, why do you have a painter? I don't know, you have like a painter thingy, a brush, whatever, a brush on one end, and then that's a color. So I have the color Hush Hush, which I really like that color. It's a pretty color. I feel like I've gotten that kind of color a lot lately. So this was in the Ulta mystery bag I did, so that's coming in on next week or whatever in the next videos. Sorry, I have hair all up in my face and it's just like blah. So I feel like this is a color that keeps coming into my like boxes. Just wish things would mix up. Stop doing like the dark red pink color, because I'm not like, I do like this pink nude lip a lot, and just doing dark lips is not my thing. Sometimes it's just too dark for me. Alright, so the next thing I grab is this Sephora eye pencil, and this is waterproof. I got number 6 in beige. So this is just from Sephora, so it's like a white eyeliner. I don't really have white eyeliners. I never really do like white in my waterline just because I don't like having bigger eyes. Like, I feel like my eyes are already big as it is. It's kind of shimmery, like a champagne color. Next thing I grabbed two things. So it's a volumizing spray from Briogeo. I can never say names. Just don't give me anything. But it just looks like that, and they're a little traveling thing. And the next thing I have is Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm Multi-Action Skincare Makeup, and this has SPF 45. Just this. And light medium. So that is a moisturizer. So I thought it was like a foundation, but it's not. It's a moisturizer. The next thing I have is this Lancome Millennium Mousse. Just a sample, obviously. And so this is a makeup remover. I thought it would be like hair product. So it's a makeup remover. Definitely trying that out. I love trying out the samples I've been getting. I actually just got the pharmacy makeup melter thing because I love it. I love it so much more than coconut oil. Definitely was a great purchase. Like, I'm not regretting it actually. And this, but that is everything in the bag. So the last thing I got was the cleanser. I'm really excited to use some of these products. The lip color, I'm just tired of getting the same dark color and everything, but I obviously will use it. But the cleanser and the volumizing spray and that moisturizer, I'll pretty much use everything that I got in the box. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today in this Sephora play box. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos like this one. Give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?